Want to know how to scan Telegram QR code from gallery? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to scan Telegram QR code from gallery. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your screen and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left. Here tap on the QR code option at the top right and take a screenshot of your QR code. Likewise, open Gallery on your screen and tap and hold onto the QR button until a menu appears and you will be redirected to the Telegram app. However, this method might work only in few devices. If this doesn't work, then open the scanner on your screen. Furthermore, select the picture of the QR code and tap on the OK at the bottom right. Moreover, you have two options. Either you can open in browser or copy the URL. Select according to your preference. Finally, you will be redirected to the Telegram app through the QR code that you scanned. So this is how to scan Telegram QR code from gallery. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.